Hey everyone, it's Mark Skipper Mark, and today we're taking our WaveRunners to Candlewood Lake, the largest lake in Connecticut. We'll be launching from Lattin's Cove, which is one of 2 public launches on the lake. Candlewood Lake is located in Fairfield and Litchfield County and is 5,420 acres. It's 11 miles long and 2 miles wide at its widest point. The condition of the parking lot surprised me because it's kind of old and beat up. Matt said that when he went to get the trailer, it bounced about 8 inches off the ground when he drove over one particularly rough spot. That said, the ramp itself is pretty nice. It's a wide concrete slab and is in decent condition. One thing I really don't like about either of the public ramps at the lake is there's no docks to tie your boat to or to pick up somebody or drop somebody off. At Lattin's Cove, there's just a big cement wall with cleats and bumpers, but the base of the wall sticks out about a foot, so your boat is likely going to bang up against it. And it's so tall, there's no way for someone, especially on a PWC, to get onto the wall or back onto their PWC from the wall. Most people just pull their boats up onto the muddy shoreline and walk through the quicksand-like goop to get back to their car. Why on earth are there no docks at Connecticut's largest and most popular lake? Just so you know, the footage of the parking lot and ramp areas from the beginning of this video was taken on a sunny summer afternoon in August of 2022, but the footage of us on our WaveRunners was taken in early April 2023. I wanted to mention that in case you wondered why some of the clips showed people in shorts and t-shirts and the trees were green and full of leaves, and then other clips were cloudy and dark with the landscape barren and brown. Now that we're on our WaveRunners and making our way through the long no-wake zone of the Cove, I'll show the GPX track of our journey around the lake. This was made using the Navionics app on my iPhone and then overlaid onto a map using the website gpsvisualizer.com. The long no-wake zone also gives me the opportunity to talk about something else that I've been wondering since we got our WaveRunners. Why are the laws different for PWCs than for regular motorboats? Specifically, in Connecticut, for instance, regular motorboats have to slow down and can't make a wake within 100 feet of the shoreline, docks, and other things like that. But for PWCs, the law is 200 feet. Regular boats generally make a bigger wake than a PWC, so why are they able to go faster and in turn make a bigger wake closer to the shore? If you know the reason, please leave a message in the comments below and let me know. Does it have to do with noise? Do people think PWCs are louder than boats? If so, I don't think that's true either.
I don't know how I'm gonna do because I'm already frozen because I don't have any kind of waterproof jacket.
I have one.
Yeah, I just gotta go fast to get on top of the waves. I don't know what was going on when I went to take off, my thing wouldn't go. It was just revving up.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was like it was not going in gear.
Oh.
All right, so if we don't...
Speed limit?
What?
Is there a speed limit?
45.
Okay.
I don't want to go up there because you can't get out.
Yep.
So if we go up here, there'll be 3 splits. If we go to the middle one, that'll be the other boat ramp. How are your gloves?
They're good.
Are they cold? They look just like mine.
Yeah, they're a little chilly, but not like that.
Yeah, this jacket doesn't stop wind.
Yeah, I got a wind jacket if you want it.
No, I'm okay. I don't think I could fit in it. Okay, so I'm gonna go around here. I don't know if you want to go between that island.
Okay. I'll just kind of follow you.
And I'm gonna head off and then toward the middle.
Okay. I'll be going in circles and stuff, so I'll follow you.
Okay.
It's hard to tell from this video, but the waves were very, very big when we went out. In the open area of the lake, some of them were over 3 feet tall, and the wind was blowing at about 30 miles an hour, the forecast said. Honestly, it wasn't a very fun day to be out, and I got very cold because my raincoat had broken last weekend when we went out, and the only jacket I had to wear for today didn't shed water at all. We ordered some new ones, but of course mine got delayed and it didn't show up in time for the trip. We've only boated on Candlewood one other time, and it was back in 2004 when Matt was just a small little guy and I had hair and a smaller belly. We had a great time, but it was warm and sunny, but today definitely wasn't like that at all. Plus, the scenery today wasn't very pretty. There was no green on the trees, and it was just kind of gross. In a month or so, that'll change, and it'll be a lot more fun to visit, and with conditions like that, we'll definitely be back.
For all you
going back. If you are. I don't want to cut it short, but... Okay.
Yeah.
I think it goes for maybe another mile. I just want to check my stats. Pretty sure this is where we swam with our boat that time, because it had like a little ramp going up, but it looks like it's a lot more decayed, you know, eroded. I can't read that sign. Okay. We want to go to the left, correct? What? Check the map. Oh no, we're not even close. Oh yeah, we're good. Oh wait, no, hold on. Yeah, I definitely got to get one of those ram mounts, because then I could just see it, you know, and be like, oh, go here, go there. And then get one for the GoPro. And then I can just see it, because I can't tell at all if I'm like recording or not. It was rough coming back. The waves were like big heading into them. I didn't want to do a submarine, you know? I had 2 peanut butter sandwiches at home. No, and not getting splashed. I'm gonna run over and look at that island. actually not sure. I gotta look. What? Oh. Wow. Huh? That's a lot of stairs.
When we first looked at this house, Matt and I thought it had a really steep staircase going to the top of the hill, but it was actually some kind of a track system, like maybe they, I don't know, fill a cart with stuff and bring it down slowly like on a railroad track or something. But there's a set of stairs at the very bottom that leads to the track, but they're much taller than the track, almost like there's a cart or something that they put stuff in. We couldn't figure it out, but it was kind of cool.
I'm getting soaked by the stupid spigot.
The first thing Matt did when he got his WaveRunner was put a wave eater bypass valve on to disconnect or bypass his water spout coming up the back. I had no idea why he did it until today. The whole time I was driving down the channel, the water spout was spraying up about 4 feet or so behind me, and I was traveling at about 4 miles an hour, but the wind was blowing much faster than that. So all that spray that was coming up kept blowing right onto my back because the wind was pushing it faster than I was going forward. And I got soaked, and my back was frozen by the time I got back to the boat ramp. I had no idea why Matt did it until today. So if you'd like to watch that video of Matt putting in the wave eater bypass valve, I'll link to it up here on the left side of the screen. And if you'd like to get one, there's actually a link to it right down in the description below. My GoPro battery died right as we were getting ready to take out the WaveRunners, and I didn't want to swap it out because the conditions weren't very good, plus my fingers were frozen. But I'll definitely get some videos of that in the future. So with that, I'm going to sign off and say thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a message in the comments and I'll be happy to answer. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day.